How's it going, guys? I'm going to give you 3 ways to make money online without actually ever having to leave your house. So, if you're in your 50s and you're in your 60s and you've been working that one job for a long time, you might even be thinking about retiring, but you still need that side income. You're looking for that side hustle. There's many things you can do, but the focus of this video is to show you that there are a few things you can do without actually leaving the house. Sure, you could go walk somebody's dogs, you could watch somebody's house. There's many things you could do that would physically make you have to get out of the house to do it. But I want to show you 3 things that you can do right now, or at least get started with, to put into motion a side hustle. One of which is tutoring. So maybe there's something that you're really good at. Okay, maybe there's something you really understand well. Maybe you're good with languages. Maybe you're good with sort of life coaching advice. Maybe you're good with things that you could give advice about that you know a lot about. Maybe it's gardening, whatever it may be. But the whole point of the tutoring is that this is something that you could actually do from home using a platform like Zoom, and then using a platform like Facebook or YouTube. So the knowledge that you do have already about the subject, maybe you've joined groups that are based upon that. People want to know more. They want to learn more. Education's huge, even online. So let's say you're in a Facebook group about gardening and somebody wants to build a certain type of garden and they're having a lot of trouble with it. You could consult them and essentially put together sort of a plan and list, if you will, for them in building their garden better or bigger or however that may be. Maybe somebody needs some financial advice. Maybe you're good in the stock market. You could essentially give advice as a coach, if you will. And again, whatever you're knowledgeable in. Maybe you're good in Spanish or French. So you end up, teaching people what you know about that. So tutoring is a very easy way to tap into something that you already know about and then go ahead and teach it on a platform like Zoom, but you're funneling people in from YouTube, nextdoor.com, Facebook, wherever their interests are, okay? So that's one way. Another way you could do it is still honing in on skills that you have, but what you're going to do is use a website called Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelance website. Anybody can sign up for Fiverr. When you sign up on Fiverr, you're signing up as a freelancer, okay? That means that this whole site is based upon people that have all kinds of talents in different areas. Let me show you what it looks like. All right, so here's Fiverr here. And what I want you to pay close attention to when you go to the website is pay close attention to this part right through here, okay? So let's just give you, for instance, I just clicked on the music and audio, but maybe there's something that you can do. Maybe you're a songwriter. Maybe you're good at teaching vocals. Maybe you're good at doing voiceovers. Maybe podcasts. You could go to business, this tab right here, and maybe you're good at any of these type of things through here. So again, you're basically using your knowledge to make money as a freelancer, okay? Maybe you're into the tech part. You've got video knowledge. It's really kind of limitless. Digital marketing. So Fiverr is really limitless. And if you're not sure about what it is that you know how to do well, just go and type it in where it says, what service are you looking for today? Type in what you know really well. And if it shows up, there's a pretty good chance you could set up yourself a gig on this website and then go ahead and promote it. And the nice part about it is, people are searching on this site every single day. So Fiverr is a great way to freelance your skills. Again, going back to the tutoring thing, Fiverr, you can do a lot of things similar to that and even more. Okay, the last one here is something you use all the time, Amazon, okay? Amazon is huge. Everybody knows Amazon. So we already know that most people do their shopping on Amazon. And some people, they do all their shopping on Amazon. But what if you were actually able to sell basically the product without selling the product? That's called being an affiliate. That just basically means that you have the ability to sell a product from Amazon without ever having to deal with the customer, in anything of that sort, the technical part, the back end of everything. Basically, all you are is the referral piece, okay, if you will. Now, if you're interested in selling things off Amazon, you can sell anything off of Amazon, but you will get a special link to do that. But no, in order to sign up, here's where you're going to go. What you'll do is you'll scroll all the way down to the bottom, okay? When you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you're going to come to this, what they call the footer. You have to go up a little bit more. There we go. Okay. So in this footer right here, you're going to see different options. There we go. Become an affiliate. So essentially becoming an affiliate just means find a product you like that you want to promote, whether you're writing it out in form of a blog or maybe YouTube video. You get the special link through Amazon. Once you promote it, if somebody buys it, Amazon gives you a cut from that purchase. That's all. That's how it works. So let me tell you one more thing, and this is kind of a bonus thing, is that if you end up getting further in the sort of like the interest in working with Amazon and you want to do product reviews, that's what I do as well, product reviews. This could be a lucrative way to make money off of products you already have in your house. Let me give an example. When you go to Amazon, let's say you go to, let's just give an example, Amazon Basics. I already clicked on it and it brought me to this page here, okay? And let's say, for instance, I'm interested in any one of these things, okay? Clothing, drinks. Let's just click on this right here, this Premier Protein, okay? I clicked on that. Now here's what you call your product page. When you scroll down, you're going to see all kinds of stuff about the product, but you're going to see videos, okay? Now those videos are done by people who are actually working for Amazon and creating the product videos. And there's also people that actually are just, customers making videos. How do you know? Well, let's click on one to show you how it actually works. This first one right here, let's click on it. Okay, what you're going to notice is it says earns commissions. That means that every time somebody watches this video and they buy the product, she gets a commission based on that. A lot of products on Amazon will give you the ability to actually do that. Let's give you another example. Let's say Amazon Basics. Let's say garden and outdoor. Let's look at chairs, okay? Scroll down. Let's click on this one right here, okay? Now I'm going to scroll down and show you where the videos are at. A little more information about the product itself. There's the videos. Oh, we missed it. There we go. So let's say, for instance, I click on this video here. Now, it doesn't say earn commission, so this could be a, what does it say? Customer review, okay? That's not what I'm focused on. What I'm focused on is ones that are actually creating revenue based upon the actual videos. So I'm gonna click on this. There we go. Earns commissions, okay? That's where you want to be. If this sounds like something of interest, in the description box, I will have a free PDF for you to check out on how to get started as an Amazon influencer, because essentially that's what you have to be before you get into the actual product review program. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I will check on any questions you have. We'll see you in the next video.